What's not currently available is, I would say, extraterrestrial doctrine is not in current academia. For instance, Panabab Yanun speaks about Nibiru, speaks about a crystal city, speaks about a sham. I gave 3 words. What do each of those mean? Crystal city is a type of UFO that is made of crystals. And then there's something we call a sham. It looks like a crown. It too is a UFO. And then we spoke about Nibiru. Nibiru is a planet-sized ship that traverses the sky. So Nibiru is a planet-sized ship that traverses the skies, about the size of Jupiter. So these type of topics of how Nibiru came into our solar system, caused a crash, tilted the Earth. Because of this crash, the effects was moving Earth from a 90-degree axis to a 23.5-degree axis, and how that shifted the physiology of the beings on this planet, which is why our organs are no longer aligned across our spine, but it'd be either to the left or to the right, which is why some people are right-handed and less people are left-handed when we should be ambidextrous. If the Earth was on its 90-degree axis, but after that things shifted. So it's these type of topics that are not covered in academia about how you are from the planet. The planet is from this particular sun. This sun is also from another sun that exploded, and how that whole chain of life connects you to the universe, and the universe in all, which is all in you. I know in academia they have this creation story of a Big Bang. What Panabab Yanun teaches is that there were successive Big Bangs, not just one Big Bang, that led to this that we see now. And everything has a parental lineage. Just as I come from my mother and my father, they come from their mother, their father, so too, as I just explained, humans come from the water, which is why we're more water than land, but we also come from the land, and this mass that we call Earth comes from its sun, and that sun comes from another sun that exploded, and then that sun comes from its parent. So there's always a chain of life that connects you here to the universe out there, to it all.
If there's a parental lineage, where did it all begin?
Where did it all begin? It all began in all, meaning that it was always here. And time started when material began, when it moved from ether and became hydrogen, that one atom with that one electron circling. From the moment it became something of weight, something, meaning H1, is when that time began. But existence was always here.